Dear, welcome back. So this is a quick video on how to reset your maintenance required light in your 2006 Acura MDX. So what you're gonna do, this is the key right here. You're gonna make sure it's switched off. You're gonna place the key in the ignition, just like I do now. And so these two buttons, you're gonna hold them in while switch the ignition on, but don't crank the car until you see that maintenance required light go off. Let me show you. This is right here underneath the battery. So that's how you reset it, guys. So what you're gonna do again, make sure the ignition off, hold down this set and reset button at the same time, switch the ignition on, but don't crank the car, and wait for about 10 seconds or so till you see the maintenance required light go off and it reset. So thanks for watching, catch you another time, bye.